Thanks for checking out FMYI for my innovation to share information with your team. Once you see the features, you'll see why we house over 1 million of them for Fortune 500, medium, and small teams. FMYI is the only solution with contacts, projects, and resources all in one place that's easy to use and is caring, offering free support to all users with an award-winning commitment to creating a better world. You can use FMYI to create a community like this for yourself. FMYI users tend to wear many hats, so with the same username and password, you can create an additional site for another group of people. Maybe you volunteer or you're a part of a work group. Nothing will be shared except for when you're busy on the calendar. On the right, you'll notice there's a commuting challenge. It's a fun way to remember to commute sustainably to work. There's also account settings here at the top. You'll notice that you can connect FMYI to your favorite social network. Don't worry, none of your information would be shared. Only it would be easier for your users to connect with their Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, or Twitter sign-in so that they don't have to remember another username and password. Teams using FMYI see an immediate benefit, and you can too. Put an end to the overflowing email silos. Get less stress and more efficiency to grow your impact. It's a platform to achieve goals, and now is the best time to get started. Let's go to the homepage of a site. You'll see a site snapshot where you can see a high-level view of all of your workflow for both projects and clients. There's also a featured section that you can make scrollable, or you can show all and sort, drag and drop the order, so you can turn this into a customized intranet of your own. There's also a latest activity section where you can see a newsfeed of everything in one place. Don't worry, users will only see what they have permission to, but when someone comes across an update, they can easily add a comment and lend advice to another user. It's easy and efficient to get work done. This is a workspace to share information with your team. There are a variety of ways to use a workspace. In this case, we're tracking key client details. There's a large post box here in the center, and this is where you'll put any new information. You can tag it and also decide who's going to get an email alert. This solves one of the largest email problems, CCing everyone. Instead, I just uncheck who doesn't need an email alert because they can come and see all of the activity below later. This is also one of the ways to engage your entire team. When they're on the go, they can simply reply by email, and whatever they send will go into the site and alert the same people who were originally copied. Now on the right-hand side, you'll notice there are options. This includes contact information, where you can click Map It, and it'll bring up a map of the location of this particular business. Or you can click on the email address for this person. It will open your email program, send an email to them, and you can BCC that email back into your activity here. Also, you can see a section called Access. This tells you exactly who can see this workspace. Now if we go to the top and look at the left-hand column, you'll see that we can track projects. So here I can look and see active projects and choose Insight Discovery. You'll notice managing a project, you can drag the status through a customized workflow. You can also share files, and these can be any kind of file. You can put videos that'll stream in the browser, and unlike most file systems, you can type a description so you don't forget what this file is. You can also add events. These will push into a shared calendar in the system, and they'll push to your personal calendar. You can also assign tasks, and these tasks come with accountability so you can make sure they get completed. There's an easy way to set a task for yourself called Remind Me. You just say remind me in 2 days, and whatever you type here will automatically go in your calendar and send you a reminder so you don't forget to follow up. Now you'll notice here on the right that I can link this project back to my client. So here I can click on Austin Enterprises, and now we're right back where we started. You can easily add more contacts or projects by clicking on the plus button, or you can use tools to import your own list. Your team will share a calendar that keeps the details private when appropriate, but will share each other's availability. You can also subscribe your iPhone to this, or FMYI can push any events to any personal calendar by email. You'll notice FMYI has a sleek, responsive design. This is because our users use FMYI from everywhere. So if you're on a mobile device, it has to look great. all of the horizontal menus will become automatic drop-downs like this. It also looks great on a tablet and, obviously, full screen. FMYI works great for your internal team and for external folks as well. On the admin tab, you'll notice you can invite people, and when you do, you just type in email addresses and add them as restricted users. This is great for clients and consultants or a member of the board or a vendor. The admin tab is built so you can set up FMYI by yourself, customize everything, navigation, personalized workflow. It's really easy with these setup menus. You don't need to bother IT or have any expertise. You can personalize the content and it'll be intuitive for your team to use. FMYI is powered by human energy, so there's a people focus. On the right side of your homepage, you have a dashboard with upcoming tasks and a link to your profile page. This is where you can share what you're working on right now. All of your team members will have their own profile pages as well, and team pages for departments or locations to stay connected and share goals. FMYI offers a powerful search in an expandable search bar. I'll type in the keyword media, and it takes me to the search tab. You see instant results with keyword ranking. Here it had searched the uploaded Word and PDF documents, and it found it inside of a sustainability report. You can refine your searches using page categories and search label tags. There's also an advanced search. Here I can look for, say, all of the contacts that I haven't spoken with in a week. You click search and it instantly finds those 25. I can generate a report to Excel, or I can even batch update them if I need to. FMYI also offers reporting. You can create a contact list for mailings, for example, or an activity report, which counts all the activity that's been done in the last week or the last month, and it shows you the details. Go to fmyi.com/signup or call 888-369-4266 extension 2